out better than what you hoped. Last weekend I took my drag and drop Canva website templates for a test drive to prove to my women entrepreneurs to see if I could sell a low ticket product really easily and create it in less than an hour. So I created the website and I published it and I started selling it, and it's been selling every day this week. So in the end, come and watch this. So one of the things that people get frustrated with is that they go and buy a website template and then everybody's looks the same because all they can do is change the colours and change the images and everything stays the same. So I thought to myself, wouldn't it be great if I just created a whole lot of different layouts and then people can just copy and paste and drag and drop and create the layout that works for them. And this website here, which is where I'm selling the bundle, was created using exactly what I'm going to show you in a second. So this is all drag and drop. And the thing that's really cool about it is that you get to choose the layout that you want it to be. And that's how this was born. And the cool thing is this is just one of the things that's included. So I've got the course new template that works with the multi-pages, but the thing that people keep on raving about is, oh my goodness, Pam, you've made it so easy for me to create a website. So today I want to just quickly demonstrate how easy it would be to create a resource list and maybe one of your current digital products that you're selling at the time. Okay, so what I decided to do with this one is I'm selling my digital product here, and then I just click on the button and add whatever shopping cart you use. Some people use Beacon, some people use Stan, some people use PayPal, I use ThriveCart. You just connect it to whatever payment platform that you use. And then here, that's just telling them a little bit more about the bonuses. And then here is another layout for those people who have resources. So if you're an affiliate or you've got a few other digital products that may be perfect for them instead, then you can have this at the bottom and you'll be amazed at how many people actually click on that even if they don't buy your offer. So I teach my people to always be having a resource list on everything they're selling. There's lots of different ways, and you are going to be planting your brand and your digital products all over Google, because Google loves Canva websites absolutely free. That's why this is such a good model. And then here's another one of the layouts. So here's a couple of my digital ones, and you just grab whichever one you want. And then I've got this and I've got this. And the thing is, once you've set these up, you just copy them, paste it, or you just duplicate it and go back to the bundle, which is down here with all these different layouts once you've changed all the colors, and you grab what you want for the next website. Maybe you're promoting a webinar that you're going to be upselling from. Maybe you're promoting an event that you're doing. I have been online for 20 years, so I've thought of every different way that I have been selling online for 20 years, and I put them into layouts. Anyways, I'll leave a link to the website here. You can go and check it out, and then it's only $27. It's the launch special. Go and click and grab it. If you have a question about anything that I've shared today, leave it in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you create. I told you it was drag and drop easy. So if you haven't tried Canva websites, or you sell digital products, or you have events and things that you want to promote, or just get yourself out there on Google, because Google loves Canva websites, go and click on the link in the description or above and go and grab it, and you can create yours this weekend too. Enjoy.